So, hey class 10, welcome to the class. A very good afternoon to all of you. Today in this class, we are going to revise certain topics of mathematics, right? So, I have prepared a sheet for you guys. And the very first question is the mean of 6, 6 plus 2x, 5, and 8 plus 3x is equal to 20. And you have to find the value of x. Now, in this question, what is there? आपको mean given है और आपको कुछ observations given है. We know कि mean का formula क्या होता है. Yes, Tanisha, what's the formula बेटा mean का? Mean is equal to sum of
observation number of observations.
yes, upon number of observations, right? Now, there are how many observations? 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we have 4 number of yes, so it will be 20 is equal to, we'll write down all the observations with a plus sign in between. So it will be 6 plus 2x plus 5 plus 8 plus 3x, right? Divided by 4 because हमारी जो observations हैं वो कितनी है 4. Now this 4 will go to this side and it will get multiplied. So it became 80 is equal to 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 8, 20, 20 plus 5, 25, right? 25 plus 5x. Now we will solve this as per the simple linear equation. So 80, from 80 we will subtract 25 and we'll be left with 5x. Yes, it will be 55 is equal to 5x, right? So therefore, x is equal to 55 over 5. So what it came out to be? It came out to be 11. So our value for x is equal to 11. So value is coming out to be 11. Is that clear? Okay, the next question. If the mode of a data is 53 and mean is 33, you have to find its median. अब ये क्वेश्चन कैसे करना है? जब ये हमने चैप्टर किया था स्टैटिस्टिक्स इन द लास्ट क्लास, जो हमारी क्लास थी मीडियन वाली, राइट? उसमें we did a relationship which was termed the empirical relationship. What was that? It was 3 median is equal to mode plus 2 mean, राइट? अब क्या हमें अलग अलग से सब चीजें कैलकुलेट करनी पड़ेंगी? नो, यू नो वी लव शॉर्टकट्स, है ना? हम सबको शॉर्टकट्स बहुत पसंद है. सो ये हमारा एक शॉर्टकट है जिससे हमें अगर 2 सेंट्रल टेंडेंसीज गिवन है तो हम थर्ड वन कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. सो वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट द मीडियन. सो वी विल राइट 3 मीडियन is equal to mode की वैल्यू is given to be 53, right? Plus 2 into 33, right? So it will become 53 plus 66, which comes out to be 119. So median की वैल्यू क्या आ जाएगी बेटा? Over 3. So ये पॉइंट्स में आंसर आएगा. मुझे बताओ क्या आएगा? 39.67, right? Is that correct? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next, the mean of the following frequency table is 50. Okay, mean आपको given है 50, but the frequencies f1 and f2 they are missing. Okay, you have to find them out. So what we will do? यहाँ पे हम f1 को we can assume it to be x और f2 को we will assume it to be y, right? Right बेटा? ठीक है? So kindly try to do this question. Mean is given, right? ये तो हम कर सकते हैं. You have to find the xi column, right? Yes, very good.
Yes, very good.
So mean is equal to sum of fi xi over fi का sum. Okay, kindly do this question. In this question, as you have made the table, so kindly let me know the xi. Yes, Anisha, Sheetal, you have done. Who has made the table? Tell me the xi values. It will be 0 to 20 के बीच में the xi will be 20 plus 0 divided by 2, which means 20 by 2, and this is 10, right? As you can see, it's a regular interval, so we will add up 20 in each. So we are going to get our xi's. Yes, 70 and 90. Yes. Now do the product. Right? Fi, xi. Right? Now kindly add this up. Can you add this thing? Okay, beta. In this question, as you were given the two frequencies to be variables, so what we did, we assumed the two variables like x and y. हमने f1 और f2 respectively उसको ले लिया था, right? After that, we got to have two equations और हमने यहाँ पे elimination method use करके फिर हमने x और y की वैल्यूज जो है वो फाइंड आउट कर ली है, राइट? सो ये हमारी वैल्यूज आ जाती हैं. x की इट्स कमिंग आउट टू बी 28 and y is coming out to be 24. So this one is f1 and this one is f2. Is that clear? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Now the next question, you have to find the mean, mode and median of the following data. Yes. Now we will do it very quickly. सबसे पहले हम मोड कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. यस, राइट. मोड में क्या कर सकता है? ये वाली जो क्लास है हमारी, ये बन जाएगी मॉडल क्लास, राइट? मैंने आपको क्या कहा था, इसके आगे क्या लिख देना है? 1 0 और ये 2, राइट? फॉर्मूला क्या था? हाँ जी, मोड का फॉर्मूला क्या था? L प्लस यस f1 माइनस f0 डिवाइडेड बाय 2 माइनस f2. Yes. So L क्या है हमारा यहाँ पे? We will again difference is your S plus 7 over 30 minus 10 plus 8 over 13 over 30. After that, take your P. So in this question, we have calculated very first central tendency we calculated was mode. क्योंकि हमें उसमें कुछ भी नहीं करना होता. Just have to see the highest frequency. वो हाईएस्ट फ्रीक्वेंसी वाली क्लास हमारी बन जाती है मॉडल क्लास. एंड जैसे मैंने आपको हिंट्स दिए हैं, यू हैव टू स्टार्ट राइटिंग 0 1 2 and you will be able to find all the values and put it in the formula and calculate mode. Our mode is coming out to be 36.15. Then we made the table for calculating mean. We like made the row of or vertical column for your xi. Then we did fi xi. Then we did total of fi xi and fi. And use the formula mean is equal to sum of all observations divided, which is your fi xi divided by sigma fi, right? And we got to have our mean as 37.4. Now we use the empirical formula for calculating the median, which is 3 median is equal to mode plus 2 mean. बेटा किसके यहाँ से बहुत ज्यादा आवाज आ रही है? आई थिंक शीतल, आई एम गोइंग टू, मैं म्यूट कर रही हूँ बेटा, थोड़ा सा नॉइज ज्यादा आ रहा है. ठीक है, तो हमने इसमें क्या किया, मोड और मीन की जो वैल्यू थी उसको इंटू 2 करने के बाद एडअप किया, एंड आफ्टर दैट वी डिवाइडेड दैट नंबर विद 3 एंड आई गॉट टू हैव माय मीडियन व्हिच इज 36.98. Okay, is that clear? Now we will proceed on to the next question, which is from the chapter AP. Let's see kitna recall kar pate ho. Sixth term of an AP is 0. So how will we write? We will write A6 is equal to 0. You have to prove that ki A30 is equal to 3 times A40. Right? Right? So can you do that? A plus 5D is equal to 0, right? So we can say A is equal to minus 5D. Okay. Now what you have to do, you have to prove right hand side will be equal to left hand side. तो हमें ये prove करना है कि LHS और RHS दोनों equal है, right? So yes, A30 की journal term A plus 29D is equal to 3A plus 30D, right? Minus 5D minus subtraction is equal to both sides equal. Therefore, statement that the sum of yes बेटे clear okay. चलिए अब है next question. Okay बच्चा चलो now next question. ये आ रहा है ये तो एंगल कितना फॉर्म हो रहा था, जो पर्सन यहाँ पे खड़ा था की तरफ और कितना क्या वो 15 डिग्री प्लस एंगल के पास यू हैव टू राइट थोड़ा नीचे क्या पड़ता है ओके जो क्या बन रहा है सो एज so tan 45 will be equal to perpendicular over base. So perpendicular is h over x, and as we know tan 45 is 1, h becomes equal to x. So this one is your first equation, right? We will take it as our first equation. Yes, Sheetal, I have muted you because थोड़ा सा sound आ रहा था बेटा आपका ना. Okay, next is in triangle CBA, again tan 30 degree is equal to h over x plus 20, right? So now tell me what is the value for tan 30? Who remembers? Yes, who remembers? It's 1 by root 3 is equal to h over, हम यहाँ पे x की जगह we will write down h, right? So equal to h. And it is plus 1 by 9 minus x into 9, right? So it is x minus it is equal to this x minus 6x minus plus 18 90 minus 3x now yes so we should 0 1 divided by 2 f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h, right? Chalo. Do the calculation and tell me what's the answer for this. So mode में जब आपने values put की, so you got to have mode as 18.75. Okay, now the next question. Next question is very easy. Just फटाक से उसका answer मुझे जल्दी जल्दी बताते जाओ. Okay? Yes. Very first try will be taken by yes Sheetal beta. A die is thrown once. ठीक है? Find the probability of getting an even prime number. पहले क्या है? Die है, उसमें ये numbers आ सकते हैं, right? अब इसमें से मुझे even prime number बताओ कौन सा है? 2. Yes. So number of favorable events. Yes बेटा, number of favorable events 1 over total कितने हैं 6, right? चलिए शीता, Tanisha, next is your number which is Sheetal, mute yourself. Yes, beta. Number divisible by 2. Ajay, 2. Right. Next. So we have elements कितने हैं बेटा? 3 over 6. Okay. Multiple of 3 मतलब 3 and 6. Yes. कितनी आएगा बेटा? 3 के 3 और 6 के. Okay. You have to find quadratic equation. कैसे कैलकुलेट करते हैं? Tanisha. Nature में आपको कैलकुलेट कर. It was okay. It is 4a6 जो इक्वेशन है इसमें you have to because sin है यहाँ पे क्या होगा माइनस है माइनस हो जाएगा but make it and c is value is 5 3 is 15 into 4 60 minus 4 that means d जो है less than 0 right it is less than 0 that roots are unreal. Is that clear? Class. This PDF also kindly try to solve these questions, the pending questions, so that in the next class it becomes easier for us to carry on the test. Okay, be prepared for the test, and tomorrow we have science test, life processes, and control and coordination. Okay, kindly go through both the chapters. It will be an MCQ test. Okay, chalo, take care. Goodbye.